Today we're installing the Madjax Alpha Brushguard designed to fit the club car precedent. Included with the kit is the brush guard itself, the mounting plate, and hardware. To do this, we're going to use a 17mm socket and wrench, as well as a 13mm socket and a cordless drill. Now let's get started. Before we begin, be sure to switch the key into the off position and engage the parking brake. We're going to start by removing the front OEM bumper and removing and retaining the bolts located on the bottom side of the frame. We removed the two bolts from the front of the frame extensions here. Now we're going to attach our mounting plate to the frame extensions here and here using the retained hardwares and the two new bolts supplied with the kit. You'll notice 4 holes in the plate. This is for an optional winch. If you want to install it, go ahead and do so now. We're ready to install our brush guard. You'll notice the mounting tabs with the 2 holes located on each side of the plate. You'll also notice 2 holes located on the tabs of the back of the brush guard. We're going to use the hardware provided and install the brush guard on the inside of the mounting tabs of the plate. Once all 4 bolts are in place, then tighten. Once all 4 bolts are in place, if you've installed an optional winch, go ahead and install the plate and your hook. You're now finished installing your Alpha Brush Guard, designed for the club car precedent.